You have been told eggs are one of the healthiest foods you can eat, packed with protein, vitamins, and essential fats. But what if I told you that the way eggs are eaten could actually be quietly harming your health? You might not realize it, but small mistakes how eggs are cooked, what is paired with them, how often they are eaten could be sabotaging your heart, cholesterol, and even your energy as you get older. Are you making these common mistakes with eggs? What if the way they have been eaten all this time is making you feel worse, not better? Today, the top mistakes men over 50 make with eggs will be uncovered, mistakes that could be affecting cholesterol, joint pain, energy, and even leg strength. Eggs have been considered healthy, but there is more to the story. It is not the egg itself, it is the common mistakes made when eating them. From the oils used for cooking, to what is paired with them, and even how often they are eaten, all of these factors can turn eggs from a healthy food into something harmful. By the end of this video, the exact mistakes to look out for will be clear, along with how to fix them to ensure eggs provide all their nutritional benefits without any unwanted side effects. The 4 most common mistakes will be broken down, and ways to avoid them will be shared, improving overall health and vitality. Start with the most common mistake: frying eggs. It might seem like a quick and easy way to enjoy eggs, but the oil use matters more than you think. Most people reach for vegetable oil, canola oil, or margarine. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, and while omega-6 is not inherently bad, an imbalance of omega-6 and omega-3s can cause chronic inflammation. Research shows that the typical American diet contains 10 to 15 times more omega-6 than needed, and that imbalance is a silent cause of heart disease, high cholesterol, and joint pain. Frying eggs at high temperatures increases the formation of advanced glycation end products, also called AGEs, which are compounds that elevate inflammation and cholesterol in the body, contributing to cardiovascular disease. Instead of using these inflammatory oils, switch to extra virgin olive oil or ghee, which are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. Poaching or scrambling eggs at a lower temperature can also avoid the harmful effects of high heat. The heart and joints will thank you. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food, but when they are paired with processed meats like bacon, sausage, or ham, many of the benefits are canceled out. Processed meats are loaded with sodium, nitrates, nitrites, and preservatives. These additives not only raise blood pressure but also increase the risk of heart disease and colon cancer. The World Health Organization even classifies processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen. Research from the American Heart Association shows that these preservatives contribute to oxidative stress, which accelerates artery damage and increases inflammation in the body. When eggs are combined with processed meats, extra sodium and saturated fats are added, which counteract the heart-healthy effects of eggs. Instead of bacon or sausage, try pairing eggs with avocado, steamed spinach, or grilled vegetables. These additions provide heart-healthy fats and vitamins, helping improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Here is a mistake that often flies under the radar: eating eggs the same way every single day. It might seem harmless, eggs are nutritious, after all. But when eggs are eaten the same way every day, key nutrients are missed, and metabolism is stressed. Eating too many yolks without enough fiber can contribute to rising cholesterol levels, while a lack of nutrient diversity leads to imbalances in essential vitamins and minerals. Variety is key when it comes to healthy eating, especially for men over 50. Studies show that older adults who did not vary their diet had deficiencies in key micronutrients like B12, folate, and antioxidants. This leads to poor digestion, fatigue, and a sluggish metabolism. Rotate egg dishes. For instance, boil eggs with fruit and chia seeds, or make a veggie omelet with spinach, tomatoes, and onions. This will not only help maintain cholesterol but also ensure the body gets a broader range of nutrients every day. Finally, talk about something that seems simple but can have big consequences: how eggs are stored. Most people store eggs in the fridge door, where temperatures fluctuate, but eggs are porous, meaning they can absorb odors, moisture, and bacteria. If eggs are left at inconsistent temperatures or stored incorrectly, harmful bacteria like salmonella can grow. For seniors, especially those with a weaker immune system, improper storage can lead to foodborne illness. Experts say leaving eggs at room temperature for more than 2 hours can double the risk of contamination. The solution is simple. Keep eggs in the main compartment of the fridge, in their original carton. This helps maintain a consistent, cool temperature and reduces the risk of contamination. Check the sell-by and expiration dates, and never leave eggs out longer than 2 hours. This small change can prevent illness and ensure eggs stay safe. As men, it is often thought that choices will not catch up with them. But when it comes to food, small, everyday mistakes can quietly affect health over time. Eggs do not have to be stopped altogether, but they need to be eaten wisely. From choosing the right oils to pairing eggs with healthier foods, these changes can make all the difference. The biggest mistake most men make? Not taking control of health today, before it is too late. Do not let small habits undermine vitality and strength. It is time to respect the body's needs and make better choices for heart, cholesterol, and overall wellness. Share this with a man who needs to hear it. Start making smarter, healthier choices together. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living healthier and making the most of your years. Stay strong, stay informed, and more videos will be coming soon.